What's up, guys? I'm Greg Boteo, and I've been interested in the in internet marketing for a while now, but I always struggled with advertising and just trying to find the right message to promote. And then I didn't know that it was my mindset that was holding me back. And then until I was going through some stuff in my life and came across Wesley's Overnight Millionaire program, and Ariella is done-for-you services, and I didn't hesitate. I quickly got into the program, and I'm so glad I did, because the value and information I learned really cleared up all the questions I had, and really accelerated my growth, my personal growth in my mindset and the affirmations I was saying. So it's been great. I was able to make my first sale within the first week, just by raising my vibration and feeling good about myself and believing in myself more.
I just want to say thank you, Ariella and Wesley Virgin, for making the Done For You service. This is my first sale ever on the internet, and it was fast, quick, and easy, and it was a copy and paste situation. Thank you again, and I just hope the sales keep rolling in.